Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have a Microsoft account and organizer privileges. Sign and add account. Microsoft.com. Once signed in, make sure your account is verified. Check email or phone for any security prompts. You'll need the email addresses or phone numbers of each person you'll add, so collect those now to avoid delays. If a child lacks an account, plan to create a child account. Otherwise, proceed to invite adults. This gets the essentials out of the way and prepares you to invite members immediately. You'll navigate to the Family section in your Microsoft account and click Add a Family Member. Choose adult or child deliberately because settings differ. Once you enter an email or phone, send the invite and tell the person to accept it from their Microsoft account. This is required to join. After they accept, set initial permissions such as content restrictions, screen time, and purchase approvals so protections apply immediately. Once done, repeat invites until every family member appears in your family dashboard. You finish by reviewing every member's profile and fine-tuning settings like activity reporting, screen time, and purchase approvals so rules match your family's needs. Make sure devices are signed into the correct Microsoft accounts and that settings sync across Windows, Xbox, and Microsoft apps. If someone didn't receive an invite, resend it, check spam folders, and confirm they're signed into a Microsoft account. If acceptance still fails, remove and re-add the contact or create a child account for them so they can join successfully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.